Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here with another training video. Now today we're going to be talking about make money watching videos, and at the same time how to receive hundreds, maybe even thousands of real live views for your videos. As I always say with my training videos, what works today may not work tomorrow. Many of my training videos are out of date, like in 24 hours or a week or a month, because everything changes out there on the internet, such as Facebook has completely redesigned their platform. So what I was able to do a few weeks ago, I can't do today on Facebook. So that's just an example. So kind of keep that in mind if you happen to be watching this video a few weeks from now, a few months from now, and something doesn't jive. Also, if you're watching this video on the internet and you're not on this page here, let me scroll up. Scroll down into the description of this video, and you're going to find the link that'll bring you to this page, the Silver Fox JV membership. Now, on this page, you're going to have access to all kinds of free marketing tools. Example would be 2,000 opportunity seeker leads and marketing tools and training videos. In fact, right here, if you click on this banner right here, you're going to be able to request a free marketing system, Facebook viral marketing system for your best money-making opportunity. And at the same time, you're going to be able to receive a free 6-figure step-by-step ClickBank Warrior Plus JV Zoo affiliate marketing training course. As you work your way down, there's some more training videos down here, more different types of videos to help build your business. An example would be the Elite Downline Club, which is free to join. And it's kind of like a traffic exchange where you can place your ads in this platform here and send visitors to your money-making opportunities and offers. Free to join here. And of course, the ClickBank training for beginners, $1,000 per day. Now, I make some serious money with ClickBank. I've been doing it for years. You really need to go through this training here, $1,000 per day or more with ClickBank. And how I do it is I do it with videos. So when you click through, you're going to learn about how I do it with videos and how I do marketing on Facebook, etc., etc. Right here, $100 a day sharing videos on Facebook. Of course, it's free to join, use, and earn. Okay, now we're back to ads earn Bitcoin, free to join and use and earn. This is the training we're going to do today. So let me get this set up and I'll be right back. So when you click on this banner here, it's going to take you to this page here. And of course, you want to set it up and create your free account. And then once you get into the account, let's see if, I think I'm in there already, but let me check here. Yep, I'm in there already. It's going to take you to the dashboard. And of course, you can earn Bitcoin, all kinds of different ways you can earn Bitcoin here. Why don't we do this first? Why don't we earn Bitcoin by watching videos? So I clicked on earn. There's 97 ways we can earn today. And right here, there's 20 videos that we can watch. So I'm going to click through. And all you have to do to earn Bitcoin is watch each video for 30 seconds. So let's do that. This is the first video here. I think I have the sound turned off so you can't hear it, but that's fine. And there we go. We're going to start watching now. After about 30 seconds,
very simple. I mean, obviously,
the sound is on.
Dynamics, you guys saw right behind me on
but after 30 seconds, there's going to be a little window pop up here saying that, hey, listen, you just made some, you just earned some Bitcoin.
It's worldwide opportunity. It's also with the king of crypto, which is Bitcoin. Look, I'm a part, for those of you
right here.
Club, for those of
you have been credited
who work with me in other
for this video
businesses,
successfully, and I earned 0.0015.
You
Okay?
guys know about smart.
So as we work our way down here, we're going to see there's another video down here. And we can just, there's 20 videos down here. That's all you need to do. Let's kind of watch this one here and see what happens. Sound Money Wallet intro. Click on it. And let's watch it.
Hey guys, it's Gina. I am in my 7K Metals Sound Money Wallet, and I wanted to show you. This is like,
so we got to watch it for 30 seconds.
Of belonging to 7K, having a membership in 7K Metals.
That's easy. This is so easy. You can do this every day. Now, I have my wife do this for me. Okay.
Gold, look at here.
Every day we get in here and we do this.
$2,000. 1 ounce of silver is, I mean, this is
and just a few seconds here.
As
that green little bar should pop up.
Less, but this is how much they count it in this wallet. But anyway, I wanted to show you about the wallet and how it works. So what you're going to do is, what you can do is you can get cash in here through your bank, and then you can buy as much silver and as much gold as you want in increments.
It's coming in just a few minutes here. A few seconds.
Here is when I started this. It's been about almost 10 days. And also I am going to try to buy the Donald Trump coin here live in this, well, on this video, as it's only 4 minutes
hurry
away,
up.
so you'll get to see me try to do that. They're going to.
Okay, you've just been credited for this video successfully, 0.0015. All right, so I think you have an idea how this works. Now, let's go over there and see how we can get hundreds, even thousands of views on the videos that you personally make for yourself and put on this platform. We're going to click on Advertise, and come down here. It's all kinds of places you can advertise, but we're going to advertise videos, YouTube videos. Now, the other day, I placed a YouTube video in here. I got, so far, I've had 1,226 views. These are real-time views. Now, I'm sure you figured out where those views come from, right? They come from those who come over here and they want to earn, and they come down here. See, I have 18 videos I can still view, and these are real-time views now. They're not fake, and those are people on this platform that actually watch the videos. So far 1,226, and if I click on this video, you're going to see it's, I think it's for one of the free members here. Yeah. It's for CPA network review training. And so every once in a while I'll come in here and place one of the videos I made from either a SilverFox JV member or even sometimes for a free member. I'll place it in this platform to get views. So let's go do that. Let's go place a video in here. We're going to set up a brand new campaign, new campaigns. And the title, the URL, and the package that I want to use, it's $3.50 for 300 views. But I'm going to show you a little secret here in just a minute, how you can get those thousands of views for 50 cents more. So let me get this set up and I'll be right back. I just made this video this morning for one of the free members. It's called Monster Mode System Review Training. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the whole title here. And I'm going to take it over here. See if I can find my way again. Back here. And I'm going to put the description here. This is just for me. Now the title will not take emojis, so I'm going to copy just the title of that and put it here. Okay? Now I'm going to come back and find that video again. And I'm going to come up here and copy the long address. It's got to be the long address. Can't be the short address. It's got to be the long address. Come back here. And the URL. See the long one here? Can't be the short one. Okay? It's not going to work. It's got to be the long one here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here. I'm going to pay an extra 50 cents. This extra 50 cents will actually get me 1,000, sometimes even 2,000 views. So you might as well pay 50 cents extra. So it's going to cost me $4. That's all it's going to cost me. And I have my purchase wallet. I have $28. Pay by the purchase wallet balance. And there you go. It's been sent successfully. Now I go back here to manage. And there it is. It's in process. It's being processed. Remember, this is my old video that I have 1,027. And within the next week, maybe 2 weeks, I'll have over 1,000, maybe sometimes I even get 2,000 views. That's how easy this is. Okay, I'm back at my dashboard. As you can see, you can earn. You can advertise. There's revenue sharing here. Of course, when people join, I just got 3 brand new referrals here. You receive money for sending people to your platform. And anyways, all kinds of things you can do here. You can use your Litecoin wallet or your Bitcoin wallet or your Ethereum wallet. But what I mainly use it for, like I say, is watch the videos. I earn credits there. And to get views on the videos that I make. Real-time views. Okay, let's wrap this up. As we keep working our way down here, you're going to see there's all kinds of other traffic locations here to help build your business. Most of them are free to join and use and earn. And here's one, Infinity Traffic Boost. That's a free one to join and earn. Here's 2 training videos here. Of course, my lead gen secrets, 100 leads a day. And if you upgrade, you get like 200 leads a day. Here's an autoresponder that I highly recommend over Aweber and all those other autoresponders out there. Much less expensive than Aweber. I mean, like half the price than Aweber. In fact, you can join for free and play around with it. And of course, Prosperity Marketing System, free to join. In the first 7 days, you can actually make money the first 7 days that you have it, and it pretty much pays for itself. So you get 100% of the commissions. And this is one of my partner, Marty Bostic, and we put this together. This is ours. What you might want to do is call that phone number and see how it works. 412-436-3355. It's a Sizzle call phone number. Of course, the videos that I make, I use this software here. Free 7-day trial. And I rank my videos. In fact, I'm going to use the ranking information in the software in this platform here. I'm going to use it to rank this video I'm making right now. And of course, in this video, you're going to learn all about ClickBank. Gang, if you're not making videos promoting your ClickBank products, you're really missing out. See, videos work for you 24/7. They just sit out there working for you 24/7. And I probably make maybe 3 or 4. In fact, the other day I made 10 videos. But I try to make 3 or 4 videos a day. A day! I have thousands of videos out there working for me day and night, allowing me to make a nice 6-figure income. So pay attention to this training here. Right here, lead capture pages. Do not send your prospects to sales pages. Don't do it. That's the reason 98% of marketers fail. Make sure you go through this training here. Here's 4 of my probably 100 lead capture pages that I have out there. Never send your prospects directly to your sales pages. So make sure you go through all this training here. And if we keep working our way down here, some free traffic down here. And here's a free 6-figure step-by-step ClickBank Warrior Plus JV Zoo affiliate marketing training course here. And then when you become a SilverFox JV member, of course, I have a live training room. I'll take you to my live training room, personal one-on-one training. You can look over my shoulder here and watch me live while I build my business. and then you just duplicate what I do. All right, if you're watching this video out there on the internet and you're not on this page here, scroll down into the description of this video and click on that link that'll bring you to this page. With that said, this is Harvey the Silver Fox. Let's go make some money.